Hi friends, today we are going to unbox a Redmi Note 5 Pro Gold. As we are seeing, the package from Flipkart is very worst. It's not giving any kind of good packaging. It's containing only a bubble wrap and the phone box inside it. We are opening the bubble wrap. Something cover is there. Let's open it. Always get confirmed that the seal is not opened. Oh, finally opened the box. Found Redmi Note 5 Pro Gold. Looking nice. Let's open the phone and see its back side also. Gold color camera. Camera is placed at the end. Camera is little bulge. Okay. In the previous Redmi Note 5 Pro versions, they are providing a clean cover on outside. Now it's writing something like Redmi Note 5 Pro. So that need to change the screen guard very soon. Artificial intelligence power dual camera, 20 MP front camera. Yeah, it's starting switching on. Fingerprint sensor. It's having a face unlock option also. They also provided one soft silicone cover, which protects camera also. Let's see that one. Crystal clear is there. Charger and USB. Also provided in box. It contains only charger, cover, and a USB cable, phone, and SIM card opener pin. Tray opener. Here it looking nice. Bulge portion is provided around the camera for safety purpose. In back cover, selecting the language.